Here we go, Pyros. We got the 10-shot Royal Falcon by SKYSONG Fireworks. Caught this on sale. Check it out. $9 instead of $13. So it's a pretty damn good break right there. Great deal for retail. Look at that wrap on there. America, fuck yeah. SKYSONG. Get over here to the description. Glittery pistol, white glittery pistol. Green and red. Pretty good sized tube on there. I must say it's probably a solid 1-inch tube. So anyway, here we go, guys. Got the Royal Falcon 10-shot by SKYSONG. Just check it out.
Very nice.
Nice.
Thanks for watching 3 and 9 Pyros. Have a good night.